Hi everyone, this is Anna from WP Stay Team, and today I will show you how to use the WpResidence display category shortcode in both Elementor and Bakery. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive the latest videos as soon as we publish them. The display category shortcode works with any property, category, type, city, neighborhood, state, or status. The featured image used in the shortcode is set from Edit Category. Edit Category. Go to Featured Image. Upload the featured image you wish to display from Media Library or from your computer. Insert. Then type a category tagline, but only if you wish to display it in the shortcode, and click Update. Once you have the images set, all you have to do is start using the shortcode in your pages. This is a page built with Elementor, and I will show you how to add and edit this shortcode with Elementor. So first, you click to add a new section, and then you look for the categories widget. You drag and drop it to your page, and then you start filling in the information. You select which categories you wish. And if you don't see your category here, just make sure you cleared the cache before you start editing the page. And then how many items per row, which design, what kind of alignment, one row or multiple rows, and then the height of the shortcode. And voila! Here you have your image, your categories, and then you can start using the shortcode in as many combinations as you wish. If you import the demo, you will see similar shortcodes like this one, and all you have to do is edit the shortcode, select your category, and then make sure you add the image from admin area, and that's it. If you don't see this image, it means you did not upload the image in WP admin, and you have to do the step I showed you before. Next, I will show you how to create this shortcode with Bakery Page Builder. This is a page created with Bakery. You add a new shortcode by choosing display categories, and then same as in Elementor, you choose your categories. It's really simple, and you have the same option to display how many items per row, design, variation, and height. You click Save Changes, close the shortcode, and here you see the shortcode. And last, you update the page. If you wish to edit an existing shortcode, you select the shortcode, you click on the X button to delete the existing category and look for a different one. Select, save changes, close, and last, update the page. There is also a slider for categories which you can use an alternative to display categories, but I will present to you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to WpResidence channel.